Top 6 Best Oil Filter Removal Tools. Hey there, car enthusiasts. If you're someone who loves maintaining their vehicle in tip-top shape, then you know how essential it is to have the right tools for the job. One of those tools that often gets overlooked, but is an absolute game changer, is the oil filter removal tool. When it's time for an oil change, this tool ensures you can easily and efficiently remove that oil filter without a mess. If you're tired of struggling with stubborn filters or just want to get the job done faster, I've got you covered. Here's my rundown of the top 6 best oil filter removal tools that you should definitely consider for your next oil change. These tools are designed to give you a flawless, spotless experience. Let's dive in. If you want more information and update pricing on the products mentioned, check these links in the description box below. Number 1. Sperter Swivel Oil Filter Wrench Set of 5 Adjustable Wrench. First up, the Sperter Swivel Oil Filter Wrench Set of 5 Adjustable Wrench. This tool is an absolute must-have for anyone who needs versatility in their toolkit. What sets this wrench apart is the swivel action, allowing you to access oil filters in tight spaces with ease. You get 5 different sizes, making it an incredibly versatile set for all kinds of vehicles, whether you're working on your car, truck, or even a generator. The adjustable feature means it can fit a wide range of filter sizes, from small to large. No more worrying about whether your tool will fit that stubborn filter. The comfort grip ensures a secure hold, and the sturdy build provides all the durability you need. Whether you're a DIY mechanic or a seasoned pro, this Sperter set gives you everything you need for a flawless and polished job. Number 2. Lisle 63600 Oil Filter Tool. Next, we have the Lisle 63600 Oil Filter Tool. If you're looking for something that promises reliability and performance, this is the tool to go for. The Lisle 63600 is known for its exceptional grip and sturdy construction. Its design allows you to get a firm hold on even the toughest, most stubborn oil filters. The rubber overmold ensures maximum friction, making it easier to loosen the filter without slipping, no matter how tight the filter is. It's a very simple yet effective tool that doesn't require a lot of fancy features to get the job done. It just works every single time. If you're someone who values ease of use and reliability, this tool is definitely a great addition to your collection. You won't be disappointed with the way it works its magic on tough oil filters. Number 3. Billatools Oil Filter Removal Tool. For our third pick, we have the Billatools Oil Filter Removal Tool. This one brings the heat with its adjustable design, ensuring that no filter is too tough for this bad boy. The best thing about this tool is its universal design, meaning it can fit a wide range of filters on various vehicle models. Whether you're working on a car, a truck, or even an ATV, this tool will be able to handle the task at hand. Its design provides maximum leverage, making it easier to grip and twist stubborn oil filters off. The adjustability is a major selling point since you can change its size to fit different filter types without having to worry about getting the wrong size wrench. It's definitely a solid tool you can count on to get the job done right. Number 4. WorkPro Universal Oil Filter Wrench Adjustable. The WorkPro Universal Oil Filter Wrench Adjustable is a standout when it comes to versatility. This tool features an adjustable design, allowing you to work with a range of oil filter sizes. If you need a reliable wrench that can handle various filter types, this is it. What makes it even better is its magnetic feature, which holds the filter in place as you work, reducing the chances of slippage. It's a fantastic tool for anyone looking to take their oil changes to the next level. The high-quality materials used in the construction of this tool ensure long-lasting durability, while the ergonomic design means you can work for longer periods without feeling fatigued. This tool is as smooth as butter, giving you the confidence to tackle oil filters of all shapes and sizes. Number 5. Sperter Adjustable Oil Filter Wrench 2. For number 5, we return to Sperter, this time with the Sperter Adjustable Oil Filter Wrench 2. If you love Sperter's innovative designs, you'll appreciate this one as well. It's another adjustable wrench, but this model is perfect for medium-sized filters ranging from 60 millimeters to 80 millimeters. It's designed with comfort in mind, featuring a sturdy handle that gives you a strong grip and extra leverage to twist off the filter with ease. The great thing about this wrench is its ability to get into hard-to-reach places, making it ideal for tighter spaces in the engine bay. The adjustable nature means you can use it for different makes and models, making this tool a great option for both DIY car maintenance enthusiasts and professionals alike. Number 6. Lisle 63600 Oil Filter Tool. Again, yes, you're seeing it twice. The Lisle 63600 Oil Filter Tool is so good, it deserves to be mentioned twice. Not only is this tool reliable, but it's also an absolute lifesaver when you need to deal with those extra tight oil filters. The durable construction, combined with its ergonomic design, ensures you get maximum torque with minimal effort. Having multiple Lisle 63600 tools is a great option if you're running a small shop or if you find yourself doing oil changes on multiple cars in a short amount of time. The simplicity and effectiveness of this tool make it a staple in every mechanic's toolbox, and its performance never disappoints.